Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Google Ads offline conversions for better targeting. Complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Google Ads offline conversions, the first step is to ensure you have Google Ads access. Log into your Google Ads account using your credentials. Next, navigate to the Tools and Settings menu located in the top right corner. From there, select Conversions under the Measurement section. Click on the blue plus button to create a new conversion action. Choose Import as the type of conversion you want to track. Select other data sources or CRMs to import offline conversions. Continue by selecting Import from clicks to connect with previous online interactions. Fill in the required fields like conversion name and value to specify your offline conversion details. Under Conversion window, set the duration for how long after an ad interaction the conversion should be counted. Adjust the count setting based on whether you want to count all conversions or unique conversions. Next, navigate to your CRM or data source where you store customer interactions. Export your offline conversion data in a suitable format, such as CSV or Excel. Ensure the exported file includes key identifiers like Transaction ID, Google Click Identifier, GCL ID, and conversion date. Return to your Google Ads account and select the newly created conversion action. Click on the Uploads tab to start the upload process. Upload the CSV file containing your offline conversions. After the upload, review the settings and click on Import. Monitor the upload status to ensure all conversions are processed successfully. Finally, analyze the impact of your offline conversions on your campaign's performance. This process will enhance your targeting capabilities, allowing for more effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.